In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Whiteboard feature in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Whiteboard can be a fantastic tool to enhance collaboration with your team, whether you're brainstorming ideas, drawing charts, or sharing visuals. Let's start by accessing Microsoft Whiteboard. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google or any other search engine. Type in Microsoft Whiteboard and hit Enter. Look for the official link in the search results, marked by the recognizable blue icon. Click on that link and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account to get started. Once you're signed in, it's time to create a new board. You'll see a button labeled New Whiteboard. Click on that, and you will be prompted to either start with a template or begin with a blank board. If you're looking for specific layouts, the templates can be very useful. Otherwise, a blank board allows you to freely express your ideas without any limitations. Now that you have your board open, it's time to prepare your content. You can add text by clicking on the text tool, create drawings using your mouse or stylus, and even upload images. This is where you can make your board more engaging by dragging and dropping visuals, such as your company's logo, directly onto the board. Remember, the more visually appealing your board, the more engaged your team members will be. Now that you have your content ready, it's time to share your board in your active Microsoft Teams meeting. Navigate to your Teams window and look for the Share button, conveniently located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to open the sharing options. Next, you will need to select the whiteboard to share it with the meeting participants. If the Microsoft Whiteboard icon is visible in the share tray, simply click on it. This will allow everyone in the meeting to see the whiteboard you've created. In case the icon isn't appearing for some reason, you can instead choose the window option. Just select the browser window where your Microsoft Whiteboard is currently open. This way, you can still share your board with the team. Finally, once you've shared your whiteboard, you can dive into collaboration. You and your colleagues can perform various actions on the whiteboard, and the best part is that updates will be visible in real time. This feature is particularly useful for brainstorming sessions, as everyone can contribute simultaneously and see the changes as they happen. To recap, you access Microsoft Whiteboard through your browser, create a new board, prepare the content, share the board in your Teams meeting, and then collaborate with your team in real time. By utilizing these steps, you can effectively enhance your meetings and engage your team in a more interactive way. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you find this tool as beneficial as many of us do.